Viewing your pipeline summary in GoHighLevel is one of the best way to understand where your leads are and how your sales process is performing. It gives you a clear picture of every stage in your pipeline, helping you to see which deals are moving forward and which ones need more attention. In this video, I will show you how to view your pipeline summary step by step so you can track your progress and manage your business more efficiently. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the link in the description for the 30 days free trial link and the live bootcamp access or some exclusive bonuses. So just check that out. Now let's get back to the video. So once you are inside your GoHighLevel, or if you just log in your account, then you can see there is option for the opportunities. Then click on this and you will be redirected on this page mainly. So basically this is your pipeline, but if you want to set or add any pipeline, then you have to click on this pipeline. But we are going to see the summary of the pipeline, right? So we are here on the opportunity and you can see all of your contact, all of your lead, all of your targeted audiences or customers, all are here. So if you want to customize this or move this from one place to another, you can easily do that. And you can obviously see what is your opportunity value or what is the position of all of your contacted in this every single position, like this contacted, the proposal sent, or the closed. Or if you need any, then go to pipeline and just create a pipeline. But this is not your summary, right? So this is the basic pipeline view here, like what is the lead and from what is coming. Now to see all of this data, you can do one thing, that just click on this three dot here and you can see there is option for the dashboard setting. Click on this. Here you will see there is a drop down option. Just open this and select the dashboard here. So after that, just click on this, navigate to dashboard, or if you didn't before, then you have to confirm, then click on this navigate to dashboard. It will be redirected to the dashboard and here you will see all of your pipeline data or information here, and you can see the total opportunity status, the value, the information, and all of these things, like how many lead is coming and where they are right now in your pipeline. So you can see all of this thing here. So basically this is how you can see your pipeline summary on your dashboard. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.